The sky's a canvas painted gray and blue. Raindrops dance like they're brand new. A cozy chair and a warm embrace. This rainy day feels like our place. The smell of earth, the rhythm outside. In this small room where love can't hide. The world slows down, the clock stands still. In your arms, I've got my fill. Oh, the rain sings a song just for us, a melody of trust, no need to rush. The storm is a friend, washing fears away. This is our cozy rainy day. Windows far from our laughter's heat. Your heartbeat makes the rhythm sweet. The thunder rolls like a distant drum. Together here we found our home. Barefoot steps on the wooden floor. Raindrops tap in a love encore. No golden sun, no need to shine this rainy day.